life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Welcome back, guys. This is the Johnston channel. The top 3 cars in Kenya. This is the Ferrari F430, punching a V8 rear engine, 503 horsepower, 8,500 RPMs with a 4,300cc natural aspirated engine. Top speed 315 kilometers per hour. It actually is the 2006 model. 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.7 seconds, guys. Price ranges to around 10 million. It's a rear-wheel drive car only. 6-speed manual, optional 6-speed auto. The car weighs about 1,300 kilos. This is the Lamborghini Murcielago V12 engine, 6,000cc engine, naturally aspirated, 572 horsepower, 7,000 RPMs. 0 to 100 kilometers in 3.3 seconds. It's an all-wheel drive 6-speed manual. Price 20 million shillings. Yeah. Weighs 1,800 kilos. 2006 model, rear engine. Well, we're coming back to Nissan GT-R with the V6 engine, 530 horsepower, twin turbo engine, 3,800cc, top speed of 315 kilometers, 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds, guys. Front engine, all-wheel drive, 2010 model, 6-speed auto only. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is the Johnston channel.